Okay, so today I'm going to be using some of the amazing, beautiful jigsaw that we've got going on at the moment. I love this glittered texture to it, and the colours are fantastic. And my son's autistic, and I try and do different things to support the Autistic Society slogans, and just to get some common knowledge going and some education. So I'm going to make an academic year diary, and I've created these images in Canvas myself ready. So I've created a brain with a jigsaw, which is obviously going to be cut out as a solid, and then the words. Now the wording, I don't know if you'll be able to see this without, here we go. All spell autism along the end, and then they are descriptions of an autistic person's character or nature. So always unique, totally interesting, sometimes mysterious. So I've created these, I'm going to offset them in the diary. So I'm going to put the skull head thing here and the wording here, I think. So I'm going to cut them out. So I've taken them to the main screen, so choose OK. And I want to try and make the most out of my vinyl. So there you go, that's what it says it's going to use up the least. So I'll take out that. Put my vinyl on, and then we'll cut it and see how it comes out. With self-adhesive vinyl, you cut it with the dry flat side, which is the self-adhesive removable backing paper, to the back. So you cut this as you would expect to see it, the glossy side up, and the paper to the mat. Okay, let's get it lined up. So we go OK. Let's line it ready. OK. Cut. And just for you, cut speed 1, pressure 0. The blade depth is just over the half. So I'll cut that and I'll bring it back 4 minutes later when it's done. Okay, so I've cut it, and you won't be able to see very well at the minute, but there's my head shape with the jigsaw cut out. And here's my wording. I've cut them out separately because obviously they're going at different parts of the front of the book, so I didn't want them to be stuck close together, so it gives me a bit of a wiggle room. So when you're weeding, I won't read the letters because it's difficult to do one-handed. When you're weeding, if you get an edge, literally just pull it off. Now when you're using self-adhesive, be very careful, because if that sticks on this bit that you want to keep, it can be very difficult to get off. So when you're doing a very complicated weed, which is why we need to do it off camera because my camera stand's a pain and it keeps falling over, is when you're doing little letters like this, look, and you see, you're better off sometimes cutting and then starting again. So cut the waste between the letters occasionally just to get rid of it, so you've not got a handful of sticky stuff teasing letters off the sheet by accident. So I'm going to save, so I'm not weeding this, I'm going to actually save the jigsaw piece because I might actually use it on the design to finish it off. So I'll put that to one side. So I'm going to bring you back when I've done that, and then I'll put them on transfer sheet, and then we'll put them on the diary. Okay, so I've got my lettering on, and I've had a look at how I'm going to lay it out on the book, and it's one of those moments in life where I'm not entirely sure, but what I'm going to do is I'll put it on the transfer sheet, and I always keep the transfer sheet attached to the backing for it, because then it's easier and doesn't get stuck to everything else that you're not working on. So I'll just line it up on there, and I'll bring it back when I've got it lined up. Okay, so I've got this bit lined up. And then when you've got it on, just literally burnish the back of all your letters. with your finger. Run it flat on itself and peel back. And it is that simple. There you go. And then the next bit is the head. So I'm going to put the head on at a funny angle. I'll put him on a transfer sheet. See, I've kept the jigsaw from his brain. So just pop him on the transfer sheet. Give him a rub. Then I always fold it back on itself and rub it again. And then I've got to decide where I'm going to put it on the book. So I'll bring you back when I've lined it up, and then I'll show you what we need to do to finish it. Here we are. So I've put the brain on, head on, brain on, whichever way you want to look at it. I've got the last piece of the missing jigsaw and rub that on. Fold it back. And then you just give it an extra rub just to make sure you caught it. And that's another one done.